Coming in, the Maharashtra government has announced a reward of 51 lakh rupees to the police force of the Gadchiroli district who killed 26 Naxals, including the Central Committee member Milind Teltumbde in the encounter. Alisha is on the phone line with more details on this. Yes, Alisha, tell us more.
देखिए बिल्कुल हमारे C60 कमांडर्स की ओर से जो एनकाउंटर ऑपरेशन किए गए थे, एंटी नक्सल ऑपरेशन जो कंडक्ट किए गए थे, जहां महाराष्ट्र के गढ़चिरौली में गयापत्थर डेंस फॉरेस्ट में जहां 26 नक्सलिस्ट को मार गिरा था और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो सेंट्रल कमेटी मेंबर मिलिंद तेलतुंबडे भी पूरे एनकाउंटर में गन डाउन किए गए थे, जिसके बाद कल खुद महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री दिलीप वालसे पाटिल जो कि गढ़चिरौली में पहुंचे थे, उन्होंने सभी कमांडर्स को सेलिब्रेट किया, उसके बाद कॉन्फ्रेंस की। और अब हम देख रहे हैं कि महाराष्ट्र सरकार की ओर से सभी उन जवानों को यानी जितने भी C60 कमांडो जो कि इस पूरे ऑपरेशन में मौजूद थे, उनके लिए हर एक को 51 लाख रुपीस देने का जो अवार्ड है वो महाराष्ट्र सरकार की ओर से अभी फिलहाल जो है यहाँ पर अनाउंस किया गया है।
All right, Alisha, thank you very much for joining us. In fact, Alisha had earlier filed this report from Gadchiroli.
Republic TV is the only channel who has reached to the Maharashtra Gadchiroli, where the encounter between the C60 commandos and Naxalists took place. We would like to show the visuals. There are the many elements we can see here. There are the letter written by, and first of all, I would like to tell you this, that this was the point where all the Naxalists were staying here, and with the intelligence information which has been taken from the C60 commandos, where the commandos came here and the encounter started between the two. There was the firefighting starting between the two. First, as per the the press conference which was held yesterday, which clearly stated that it was first the Naxalist who started with the firing, and there are many weapon has been recovered, but this was the place where the Naxalists, all the Naxalists were staying here, and we can see there are the photos of the Naxalist. There are many papers as we can see, and there are also the clothes. So this clearly established the living of the Naxals people here who started with the firing, and with the retaliation, C60 commando who were there behind the bushes, but started with the heavy firing starting from the Naxalists. So importantly, we would like to show you all the visuals here which clearly established the living of a Naxalist here, and with the specific information given to the C60 commandos. The commandos here came, there were around 300 commandos. We would like to move forward and see if there is any other, but as we know, the firing encounter started at the early hour of Saturday and lasted till late in the evening. The only channel here, Republic TV, who has reached to the exact spot, and there are many more things. Which can show the Naxalists here were hiding behind the bushes. Since they got to know, the C60 commando has got the intelligence information about the Naxalists hiding here behind the bushes, and the C60 commando came here, they reached here, and the heavy firing has occurred as here happened here between the C60 commandos and the Naxalists. As I said, the fighting were starting by the Naxalists. Heavy fire was started, and we know in this entire operation, it's a very big operation by the C60 commando of Maharashtra Gadchiroli's police, where 26 Naxalists